Yeah, let's continue AWS for student. In this session, we are going to see how to create AWS free account, and then we are going to see how to sign in AWS account. So first, let's start understanding how to create a AWS account. Okay. First, open aws.amazon.com. Open any web browser. Open any web browser. I opened Google Chrome. Then enter aws.amazon.com. So this is the user interface for creating AWS account to be. This is user interface for creating AWS account. Okay, once this one you see, you have an option of create, or you can click on AWS management console. Okay, here you see option called create a new account. Click on create a new account. Once you click on create a new account, then here you will see option called enter root email address. I am entering root email addresses Akkem Sreenivas at hotmail.com. For creating AWS account, I created a separate email ID. This is for only creating AWS account. I am creating AWS account. Okay, username I am giving Akkem Sreenivas. Click on verify email address. Once you click on verify email address, you will get a email verification code. Click on this code. Then enter this verification code. Enter this verification code. Click on verify. So once email ID is verified, enter your root password. Then re-enter root password. Okay. Click on continue. Then it will open next step. In this step 3, here we are going to select your account plan. Here we are going to select account plan. Let's say I recommend select free plan. I recommend select this free plan. So once you fill your account details, once you fill your root password, then once you select root email address, username and password, you will get a verified. Once you enter verification code, once you enter your root password, then it is going to create, it is generated. At here, you can see this screen. We see this support plan at the unit, but now what it is doing, it is giving at the beginning of it. Okay, one month. Okay, so you enter your support plan. So I suggest select this free plan. This is more than enough for our practice. We'll get 6 months free. 6 months free. Earlier it was 12 months, but now it is 6 months. Okay. Once you select this choose free plan, then it will open a next form. Here you can enter your full name. I'm entering Akkem Sreenivas. Akkem Sreenivas. Then organization name, I'm entering Akkem Sreenivas. Then enter your phone number to select your country code. Then enter your phone number. For this phone number, they are going to send OTP. for verifying whether provided details are yours or not. Then enter your address line. Let's say I'm entering Hyderabad, Telangana. Hyderabad. Okay. Then city is Hyderabad, Telangana. Postal code 50090. Then here click on I read and agree. Click on agree and continue. Then here you need to provide credit card or debit card. Okay. Credit card or debit card. So I recommend the credit card. Okay. You can provide credit card or debit card. I recommend if you have a credit card, right? Credit card details. Why it is asking these details is the provided details are yours or not to identify. Next one, they are going to deduct 2 rupees INR if you are from India. If it is other country, they are going to deduct $1. And later, after few minutes, they are going to refund back to your account. So what I'm doing, I am using UPI. India, they are additionally giving UPI. So you can, for UPI, they are going to enable automatic payment limit for 15,000 in UPI account. You may use GPay, you may use PhonePe, you may use Paytm for validating your account. What happens is once you use UPI, these people going to deduct 2 rupees INR plus they are going to automatic payment limit. They are going to enable 15,000. Okay. So click on this one, click on continue. It is going to show you UPI screen. Okay. Then open your UPI app. Open your UPI app. Then click on verify. Okay. Scan this UPI code. Then it is asking 2 rupees INR. Click on setup perfect. Then click on your number, OTP number. Then it is going to deduct 2 rupees INR. Plus, they are going to enable auto pay 15,000. Why it is enabling auto pay is if you not pay any bill using auto pay, it is going to deduct up to 15,000 max from your UPI account. Okay. So here you can select identity. So you can select any identity. You can select other. Okay. You can select ownership type is individual. Then I'm selecting other is, let's say I'm selecting driving license. Earlier, we do not have this additional verification. They added recently to validate your details to enter your date of birth. Then enter your name. Then enter your driving license. Okay. Then enter your ID. So go to TV drive. Go to let's say Akkem Sreenivas. Go to personal. In the personal, I have my voter ID 190. So in my computer, I am selecting driving license. This is front to side and select back side also. Front and back, I created a single file. That's why I'm uploading same thing. But remember, it should contain front and back. Then click on I consent. Then click on continue. They're going to verify your image. Whatever details you provided contain same details or not. Then you can enter your country code, enter your mobile number, they are going to send OTP to verify the provided mobile number is yours or not. Okay. So once you get a OTP, enter the OTP. So I am entering OTP 0257. Then click on continue. Okay. So once it verified all details, it will create a AWS account. It will create what? AWS account. Let's wait few seconds. Once all the provided details are valid, once you provided details are valid, then it will create a AWS account. This is your AWS account. Clear, right? So you will get an email saying customer verification. So what is this? Based on the information recently provided, we are unable to complete customer verification. This could be due to following reasons. Let's try accessing payment service available Asia customer. Okay, I'm selecting Mumbai region. You can select any region, API from South one. Let's try to access one service. Let's search EC2. You can EC2. It is successfully verified. It is successfully opened. There is no issue. So before uploading, it given error. See, you got $100 USD for 6 months. Okay, clear, right? How to create a AWS account? How to create a AWS account? Once you create a AWS account, you can log in AWS account here. You can log in AWS account. To log in AWS account, what we are going to do? We are going to open this one, any browser. Okay, open any browser. Then enter aws.amazon.com. Then click on My Account. Click on Management Console. Then here enter. Yeah, already I logged in with a different account. Click on Sign up. Okay. Then once again click on Management Console. Click on Continue AWS Management Console. Here you have to select Sign in root user email ID. Then enter root user email ID. Akkem Sreenivas. Akkem Sreenivas at hotmail.com. So first time it is going to send OTP to your email. And next time onwards, it will remember your email details into this browser. Okay. Click on next button. Click on enter password of your root user account. Then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it is going to send a verification code to your email ID. Go to your email ID and take OTP. First time only. Okay, take this OTP. Then enter this OTP. Next time onwards, it will not ask OTP into your browser until 35 days. After 35 days, we have to enable multi-factor authentication. We will enable multi-factor authentication later. Click on skip now. So now you are able to log in. You are able to log in AWS Cloud. Okay, clear, right? How to create a AWS account? How to sign in AWS account?